Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Ultenic D5s robot vacuum and it's not working. Maybe it's not vacuuming, or it's not connecting to the app, or it's just moving erratically. Doing anything like that, one of the first things that you can do in order to troubleshoot an issue like this is to just do a restart of the device or a reset of the device. So this is a very simple thing that we can do. All we need to do is turn our vacuum upside down, and then once we turn it upside down, we are just going to see there's by this wheel over here, there's this power button. So we can go ahead and flip it off, and then not just flip it off, but hold it, push the button down, the off button down, and hold it for about 10 seconds. And after you've held it for about 10 seconds, you can release it and go ahead and turn the robot vac back on, and it should be fully reset. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.